Wait, no, I can turn it off! I can turn it off.
Pardon me?
Excuse me?
Oh, no problem.
No!
Gummy bears!
Not now, Steve.
Condiment, salt, pepper.
Live from Chew and Swallow, we're Spaghetti Twister.
Ho, ho, Sam, hey! We love a good storm over here, but you look like a nerd.
Patrick, several children are stranded in the path of this tomato tornado.
My tummy hurts.
Down!
Swirling a path of
Yikes! What is that, a scrunchie? I haven't seen one of those since 1995.
We have an actual weather emergency.
Oh, no! Well, we'll get right back to that storm, and hopefully Sam will look a little more appealing. Boop.
Steve, we just have to upload the kill code and it will shut down the... Oh, what are you doing here?
I've been up here ordering dinner for the last 10 minutes. Why? There's something going on?
I've got to stop the machine. Everyone's in danger because of me.
Oh, it can't be that bad.
No,
Well, I'm out of here.
I can still stop the order with a kill code. Sending kill code.
I'm back!
Got to get the button.
Play, fun, fun, play!
Flint, it's been nice to beat you!